Hello, it's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic now about this guy where you're run mad. You understand? Now, two topic I want to talk about today. The first one, a boyfriend and girlfriend where they drive car, they go. The next thing, the boy just come down for a side car, begin the run mad. Then the other one, now a guy wey be say e dey fraud people money. So now two topic today, my darling people, so that you go know how you go take contribute. And before I start, please, if you never subscribe, go subscribe and on the notification bell, and always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Please, 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 always put thumbs up and always share the video so that you will see the help me with that one. So thank you for watching. Thank you, my subscribers. Thank you, everybody. My darling people, today's topic, it shockalize me, oh. It shockalize me because of our guys wey be say they no want work. They just they will wait for fast money everywhere. You understand? Now because of them, I want to do this topic today. I been gonna not make my voice because I get kata, my nose it block. You understand? So I just use manage. If I sneeze, I'm gonna take her like that. So so my correct ogbonge people, the matter today be say this guy and this girl they drive car they go. The next thing, the guy just come down for inside car, pull the cloth, you just begin the colo just start. I say, what it can they bring this one now? What it can cause this colometer now? The thing shockalize me, oh, the thing shock me when I see him. I say, what till they happen? What till they play? Like seriously. Hey, not the way Musa no go see for gate. Oh, not the way Musa no go see for gate. That is why I always tell people be say they work, do genuine thing. Because this guy now, maybe don't go shook him out for bad thing. Yeah. Maybe don't go shook him out for bad thing. Now it cause him where be say crazy kilometer just start like this. So the guy now they all the guy not great, he not great stop. Oh, he just the colo they go. They better hold him before he go point that street finish. You understand? So when I see the video, I say, no, I have to come share this thing, give our guys advice, our youth of nowadays, go and work, do better thing. Because nobody knows where this kilometer for they come now. If it be, say, that now your village people, now they worry you now. But if it still be, say, now better you use your hand, take course. You understand? We wanna go work, we wanna look for fast money. No. Una fast money, una they look for. To work, no, una no want work. Everybody want to make money fast. Everybody want to show their hand for bad things. It not good. You understand? It not good. So the thing they shockalize me, like the thing they surprise me. So that is why I say no, ma I can't share them. For my old bonga people, may they stay here. You understand? So my darling people, the matter for that kilometer. Oh. And so I talk and reach. So I want to go straight to the other news now. For the guy will be say the fraud people. Like I can't wonder. Wait till they make our guys they do this kind of thing. Wait till you they look for. You will be say you don't want to work. You they look for fast money everywhere they go. When I see this guy now, the fraud people. Make I play a voice where they ask a question. All those guys will be say. And so God go take the cash now. Now they don't put tire for you around the waist where they want to born now. But I promise they not born now because it's not good to take life like that.
POS people are the fraud.
POS people.
No be only saying that the business why they do.
POS people are the fraud.
Now you they defraud.
You dey defraud, I mean you dey
How much? How you they take defraud the POS people?
How many years now you start this business?
Never reach 1 year. So how you they take defraud or POS people?
Make a go.
Hey, hold on first. You will talk with how you they take?
So see how they take one. The thing that make a lot. Make a talk how they take one. So
fake alert.
Get one
Join them too.
computer program where they call this thing Oracle. So because the computer. So if you open USD account, like all these banks, they star 901 hash. Like Union star 826.
One of the list, you know, I tell they do them. People they give people fake alerts, and they talk so. Hey.
First bank star. We know. Tell us. If you open it like that, you one link the account with the computer program. If you link the account with the computer program, it means say anytime when you do transaction, they will send you whether not alert, they will send debit alert for the transaction, but you know go reach the account. After 24, how they send the office after 24 hours, after I don't send out the thing, they will still send you message back say since now the app where they use the thing will reverse, but no be you know go because of the computer program. They call Oracle. So now the thing will Oracle. The computer program.
Okay. Now you don't know how many home. But hold on first. You don't know how many home you don't scatter because of the POS where you don't defraud. How many boys when you don't sack from work?
I know how many people I don't do. I know how many people I don't do.
How many people you don't do? Tell us the whole truth. How many?
Now for only this year from your hero here, like this.
Don't worry, I'll give Mickey here.
For this year hero. For this year hero, but not be only for your hair. I don't do them before.
Okay.
I will tell my truth.
You don't do for man. You do for Berlin, Gabi. Somebody just confirm.
You do for Ishege. Keep quiet.
You do for Fuma. See, if that boy come here confessing at you, now that I will beat you.
You know where they come from?
I know Fuma. Only Saneva.
The boy said 36,000.
Saneva.
When I you take my 240 as far as the group, so, you go must collect my money.
So apart from this year, apart from this year, another place where I don't my big stick, give me.
So my darling people, now where they come they beat the guy, now be that one because I know if we put that part where basically they come they beat the guy. So my correct Ogbonge people, what you wanna think? All those fake alerts there. More na they listing no, more na they learn because now what they do for Nigeria now what they rain now the fake alerts everywhere. They'll tell you say they don't give you alert. You hear what they talk now, say the money will revise back to them. They hear the money will come back to them. Exactly people. Maybe they use our HQ. People will not want to work. Now this kind of thing they happen to. Who know what they go do that guy for them today now? They don't start to the beat him. They don't carry tire put for his neck. You they see the matter. When they see the matter so. So my correct Ogbonge people, I be able to wanna think about this video. Mona help me advise them for comments. Mona help me advise them. They need advice, all those people. Because they don't want to work. They don't want to work. And they cause all those things. You understand? You hear now? Fake alerts everywhere. Thank you, my correct Ogbonge people, and take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.